The Amazon Firestick is one of the most popular streaming devices on the planet, but most people are only using 10% of what it can do. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the full power of your Firestick using TVNado, one of the best IPTV services available right now. Here's why the Firestick and IPTV are such a perfect combination. The Firestick is already connected to your TV. It already has a fast processor. It already connects to your Wi-Fi. All it needs is the right app and the right subscription. And that's exactly what TVNado provides. Plug the Firestick in, set up TVNado, and you instantly have access to thousands of live channels and on-demand content, right from your existing TV setup. What makes TVNado specifically good on Firestick? A few things. First, TVNado's servers are optimized for performance. That means fast channel loading times and minimal buffering, which is crucial on a device like the Firestick that doesn't have unlimited processing power. Second, TVNado works perfectly with the best Firestick IPTV players like TVMate and IPTV Smarters. These apps are designed for the Firestick interface, so navigation feels smooth and natural. Third, TVNado's streams are available in multiple quality levels, so even if your internet isn't the fastest, you can still watch without issues. Here's a quick overview of how to get it set up. First, enable apps from unknown sources in your Firestick developer settings. Then download the Downloader app and use it to install TVMate or IPTV Smarters. Once installed, open the app and add your TVNado playlist. You get your M3 Uplink or Xstream codes when you sign up at TVNado.com. Load it, and within about a minute, all your channels are ready. Total setup time, about 5 to 10 minutes, and you only do it once. Now let's talk quality. TVNado channels on Firestick look great. HD channels are sharp and clear. The 4K channels, if you have a 4K TV and a strong enough internet connection, look absolutely stunning. Sports, movies, live events. And with TVNado's anti-buffering servers, you're not constantly interrupted. The stream stays stable. 2 quick tips for best performance. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz. It's faster and less congested. And clear your app cache every few weeks to keep TVMate or Smarters running smoothly. Head over to TVNado.com, get your subscription, and follow the setup I just walked through. You'll have it running in minutes. Link is right below this video. Like if this helped, subscribe for more, and enjoy your upgraded TV experience.